Let's learn good habits for kids. Bath daily. Taking a bath every day keeps our body clean and fresh. It washes away dirt, sweat, and germs from our skin. A daily bath helps us smell good and feel good. Bathing also keeps us healthy by stopping infections. It's a smart habit that makes us look neat and stay happy. Brush your teeth twice a day. Brushing your teeth in the morning and at night keeps them clean and shiny. It removes food bits, sugar, and germs from your mouth. Brushing twice a day helps prevent cavities and toothaches. It keeps your breath fresh and your smile bright. Good brushing means strong, healthy teeth for life. Wash your hands regularly. Washing your hands keeps away dirt and harmful germs. Always wash before eating and after using the toilet. Use soap and water to clean your hands properly. It helps stop the spread of illness and keeps you healthy. Clean hands mean safe hands. Stay happy and strong. Eat your meals on time. Eating meals on time keeps your body strong and full of energy. It helps your tummy work well and keeps you healthy. Skipping or delaying meals can make you feel tired or weak. A proper routine helps you grow better and stay active. So always eat your breakfast, lunch, and dinner on time. Exercise regularly. Exercise keeps your body fit, strong, and full of energy. It helps your bones and muscles grow healthy. Playing, running, and jumping are all fun exercises. It also makes your mind fresh and happy. So move your body every day to stay active and smart. Do not eat too much sweets. Sweets taste yummy, but too many can hurt your teeth. Eating lots of sugar can make you feel tired or sick. Too many sweets may cause toothaches and cavities. It's okay to enjoy them sometimes, but not all the time. Healthy snacks are better. They help you grow strong and happy. Always sleep early. Sleeping early gives your body time to rest and grow. It helps you wake up fresh and full of energy. Good sleep keeps your mind sharp and ready to learn. Late nights can make you tired and cranky. So sleep early every night to stay healthy and happy. Trim your nails regularly. Cutting your nails keeps your hands neat and clean. Long nails can collect dirt and harmful germs. Dirty nails can make you sick if you touch food or your face. Regular trimming helps you stay healthy and look tidy. So always trim your nails to stay smart and safe.